Today we got a video from Mr. Crime, and the title of the video is 17-year-old security guard. Let's get into it. Uh-oh!
You okay, brother? You'll be all right, dude. Okay? You got help
In the mall?
See how a quiet afternoon at Coronado Mall spirals into chaos when a 17-year-old pulls a gun on security and opens fire.
Of course, Foot Locker. What is he trying to do? Steal sneakers?
Here, guys. I got a camera here. Give me one of your bandages. You all right, buddy? Stand 45 here. All the way up here. Stand 45, pity. 10 through the air.
What's your name?
Inside Foot Locker, inside Coronado Mall. I got one security officer, gunshot wound in the leg. You can advise 4355. Seems secure for them to step up here. Brother, you'll be all right, dude. Okay? You got help coming now, okay?
Building where you're at.
At least it was in the caf, right?
Yeah.
Element by Weston Hotel, that new another building. Just I have Hispanic male, 25 to 36 foot, blue bandana around his neck, unknown color shirt with blue jeans, gray handgun.
Hey, police department, you good, man? You see anybody with a gun? Stand up for me, dude. I just need to make sure you don't have a gun. Can you stand up for me, please? Police department. Put your hands on your head. Stop! He's running. Running, going west, correction, eastbound. Do it now! You put something under the car. Gun's under there.
It's under there. It's under there.
So this guy commits the crime that he committed, decides to sit at the bus stop with the weapon still on you. Like, what? Like, your getaway tactic was horrible. You could have, man, that's insane. That's insane. He thought the cop was just gonna walk past him. Got the same clothes on, same. You just sitting at the bus stop waiting. That's unbelievable. And then I used to be a security guard, like way back, way back before I was a correction officer. And it's a horrible job. Okay. And I'm gonna tell you why. It's because you're supposed to, you know, guard whatever area that you're guarding or whoever you're supposed, you know, right? You're supposed to respond and this and that or whatever, but you don't have no weapons on you. You know, you get treated like crap. You don't have no authority like over somebody, like for real. So you're pretty much just getting shitted on. You know, that's what it is. And you don't even get paid much. I think back then I was making like, man, maybe $13 an hour or something, $12 an hour. Now, obviously inflation has increased and everything. This is, you know, probably a good 10 years later, you know, but still these guys are probably making no more than $20 an hour, no more than that. Like, it wouldn't surprise me if they were making like $17 an hour. And having a job making $17 an hour nowadays, you're struggling. Okay, you're struggling. So it's a crappy job. So this guy just got shot for $17.
The Element by Weston Hotel, is that new one that they're building just east of the mall. Let's do a pat down here. Hey, come here, let's do a pat down. Sit up for me, dude. Sit up. You got any other weapons on you, man?
Yeah, you made a live. I'm here.
I don't think so.
Are you shot, dude?
No, I'm here with the tourniquet applied. I got bullets on me.
Wait, hang on, dude.
Put leg in. I got
Tuck your leg in. Let's stand up.
Stand up.
1,
Where's the
2,
offender?
3. Who's in it? Let's put him in over here.
Just used for Louisiana.
Suspect supposed to have a bikini on.
Let me try to get him ID.
He went to go kick somebody out of the mall. The guy was getting a 39 with him, and then next thing we know, he's yelling shots fired.
He's yelling shots
Yeah.
fired? Do you guys have cameras of the incident?
We do have cameras. I don't know if we have anything on the incident. We haven't been able to look yet.
Are you going to go to, do you mind going to the security office real quick and meet you down there?
They are talking to eyewitness outside. So we haven't seen them.
Hi, how are you?
You're going to talk to the people inside?
Yeah, who's the manager?
I'm the owner, the manager's Matt.
Oh, I need you then. So, was it just this window here that was
Right. These people are sitting right there.
there? Okay.
So they saw the whole thing. The policeman wants to talk to you.
No. You're in for you're the owner?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fantastic.
He's the manager.
For this window here, how much do you think it costs to repair that?
That'll probably be a couple of $1,000. I guess there's a bullet hole on the bottom and they saw,
So two, right?
yeah,
Okay. All right, let me go over there.
somebody.
Are you guys okay?
I got a little glass on my elbow, but pull me out of the way.
All right.
There's a round right there still.
Yeah, it's still in the window right there, yeah.
I don't know where the other round went.
Is there anybody inside here hurt?
That's wild.
Okay, so nobody in here was shot? Nobody? Okay. Excuse me. No victims in there. I think the only victim is the security guard and 55's with him, so I think we're all good. Where's the information about the second? Security, so there's nobody in there. We already have a 34 in there, so as far as we know, everybody's taken care of. Thank you, guys.
Can I get your statement, sir?
We were just sitting at the table with my food still on there. He was sitting on this table right in here, and he had his head down. And then we heard some commotion, and my back to him was to him, but they almost got pushed into me, and they said you got to leave. And so the security guy came in, and he was starting rough. He was kind of.
So he was in Fuddrucker, not Fuddrucker.
Yeah, he was right here in front of him. He was literally at that table right here, and so he was just laying there, but because they didn't want, I guess, homeless people or whatever in there. And I think the guy might have been kind of obstinate or something. I don't know. And he was and he told him to get out. And then when he came out here, he started pushing him and forced him out because I guess he didn't
The
want
guy with the bandana pushed.
No, the security guy. Security guard. Thank you.
Pushed him into the double doors.
And so forced him out.
The double doors almost like broke.
Okay.
Slammed him into the door.
And then what happened after that?
About here.
And chasing him out here.
Well, the security guard also threw him on the ground. And he got up. Then the kid started walking around that way, and the security guard followed him.
Okay.
And they were like this.
Just yelling.
Well, yeah. I mean, he was pushing him around, and he was walking around. And once he got around to the sign, I saw the security guard come through the bush. He came running through the bush, and that's when the shots came.
You heard gunshots?
Yeah, yeah. And I'm sitting there watching the whole thing. I said, "Oh, what's happening?" He's running.
See, now I'm curious as to what the security guards, like, it's Allegiant or whatever, or not Allegiant, that's the airline, but whatever their security thing is called, Alliance or something. I forget what it's called, but I'm curious to see what their policy is, because typically security guards, their job is to observe and report. You know, I know for me personally, when I was a security guard, I was in a hospital setting, and for us, we couldn't put our hands on people. You had to observe, and if it was so bad that you had to call the cops. So for this guy, removing him and pushing him and stuff like that, I'm curious to see what their policy actually is. You know, that's why is the security guard following him? You know, I get it, following him out, you know, make sure he's getting out, but actually putting your hands on him, I don't know what their policy is, and so, but that might be against their policy though, because security guards observe and report. That's it.
Okay.
That kid pulled out the gun.
I really appreciate
I
you guys'
didn't see the kid pull out the gun because he was behind the sign.
Okay. Would you guys be okay if I grab your IDs and everything so that I can list on my report as witnesses?
Yes,
I'll try to help out the security guard who got shot. The more information we have, the better it helps. As far as I know, he's okay, and they're taking him to the hospital, but I haven't seen him, so I'm not sure. But we got the young kid. He thought he was fast. I'm faster.
What we gathered sounds like the suspect was inside the Fuddruckers, just kind of like sleeping.
Yeah.
They called security over to tell him, like, hey, have him leave.
Yeah.
Security showed up with a little rest with him. Hey, dude, you need to leave, you need to leave.
Yeah.
Kind of like pushed him outside.
Yeah.
Walked him through here out to this area.
Yeah.
The witnesses saw the security guard running back through the bushes over here and hear 4 gunshots. I have casings 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah.
And then
An empty
unfired
one.
round here.
Okay. Well, they said they heard 3 or 4,
Yeah.
but with only 3 actual spent bullets, we have 3 bullet holes inside you. One that went into the wall and is down on the ground, one in the middle of the double pane.
As a witness, you hear a bunch.
Yeah, and then one that went through the
You
glass.
say, oh, I heard 4. If there's only 3, close enough. It's not like they're like, I
And the
heard
one that's fragmented on the ground and hit the wall is probably the same height as where it went through on his leg, because it went through and through.
So Bubba's going to UNMH with the dude.
Oh, then. Pretty good finish?
Yeah, the shooter was the shooter guard.
Like getting him up, he kind of pushes him. Dude like just reaches down like this, grabs a gun. Security guard bolts through the. You can't see it here, but he bolts through the bushes. Dude just punches out, fires rounds.
Yeah, I got you. Thanks, bro.
We also got a witness from the
Cool. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you.
You guys know where he's at?
Where the guy in the fingers at?
No, we're yet.
He's across the street from the Aspen dental. There's an Aspen dental on the.
And I was looking right.
Yeah, they're building like a new hotel or something.
Yeah,
I'm thinking William 110.
Thanks, guys.
The 17-year-old suspect is facing charges including aggravated battery with a deadly weapon, unlawful possession of a firearm by a minor, tampering with evidence.
Oh, he's a minor? Oh, he's under 17. That's duh. Yeah, I mean, yeah, he you know, if everything goes correctly, this guy just threw 10 years away of his life at least. You know, because that's you're reckless. You reckless, man. That was crazy. He could have hurt a lot more people than just that security guard, but yeah, that is just, it's just so dangerous out here nowadays, man. It's just dangerous. But overall, the cops, they did their job. Like I said, I'm curious to see what Allied can do. Like, can they put their hands on people? I mean, you're just supposed to observe and report. If you think somebody's, you know, stealing or whatever the case may be, it's kind of like loss prevention. Loss prevention ain't gonna rough you up. Okay, they're gonna observe and report. It's the same. It's damn near the same thing. Loss prevention, security guard, it's almost the same thing. They ain't really supposed to put their hands on you. You're supposed to call the cops, and the cops gonna get you together. You just follow them around, make sure, that's it. Keep an eye on them and stuff. But as far as putting your hands on them, nah. But yeah, so I get the officers themselves, they did a good job, going to see the store, finding out where the bullets were at, this, that, and the third. They did their thing, their investigation and all that. So they did their part. But them security guards, you did all that for $17 an hour? I don't know. I don't know. Like, hold on. I want to look up how much they make. Allied universal pay. That's what pay. How much you think they made? See? All right. Allied universal pay varies significantly by role, experience, and location, but typically ranges from $16 to $20 an hour. Told you. I said like 17. But yeah, 16 to $20 an hour. I said they ain't making no more than $20 an hour. Like, no more than that. 16 to $20 an hour. It depends where you at, but a mall security job, the mall isn't a high paying client like that. Because that's how it breaks down, the mall isn't, they're not high paying clients like that, but for a regular security guard, no supervisor or nothing like that, because your supervisors are making closer to that $20 to $23 an hour, a supervisor. Yeah. But a regular security guard, yeah, you in that $16 to $20 range, man. And you just got a bullet in your kneecap for $16 an hour, man. So it's just crazy, man. So it's just crazy, man. But overall, I get a cops, man. The cops, they did their job, so they get a 5 out of 5 from me. I'm glad you made it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the commentary and want to help me continue to keep the channel going and improving, please consider becoming a YouTube or Patreon member. The link is in the description box. Every bit of your support helps keep the content going, and I'll catch you in the next video.